They're so bright and pink when they first come off. It is 64 and cloudy on July the 6th. When am I going to get some hot weather for my tomatoes? I don't know. But today is a work day. Eric is on the way. We're going to get a lot of stuff done and we're going to have a lot of fun, so stick around. The first thing we're going to do is round up the plums. You just spotted that. How did you see that?
Easy.
And where was the other one?
Here. One here.
I just picked them up last night, so there'll be a few more on the ground. We'll get those and then we'll go up. Now that I got this area cleaned out, we can get a better look at my Cape gooseberry. This is the first time I'm growing it, and any advice is welcome. Okay, this is really starting to make me mad. There's no way I can bag every single tomato. Because this is a volunteer, I don't know what the tomato size is supposed to be. So I'm using a bigger bag. So how's it look? We got a lot more up there?
Plenty today.
Okay, great. All right, then we'll go on the roof, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, I do see a lot up there.
This year.
This is it.
This year a lot.
Wow. What do you think? Maybe one more week and that's it, right?
Okay, this is a little fast. One
Yeah.
week, no more.
1 week and we're done, yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
See.
You have to take some plums today. You didn't take any plums last
Oh,
week.
no, today.
Okay.
Let me cut that one for the picture.
Okay.
See? Hey, enjoy.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
I'll take that.
See? Very nice.
Great. Okay, thank you. Generally, my plums are small, but this one is a prize winner. Perfect and big, and they're always juicy. That's not even going to be big enough. I need another tray.
Anything.
Where's that bucket that Let me go see if I can find that bucket.
Huge.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Wow, that's another big one.
Okay, I bring more.
Okay.
I go to the roof.
Okay, I'm coming up. Okay.
Oh, now you have a choose. Okay, good.
Is it shaky?
No.
No? Hold on. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. People are always asking me what my garden looks like from above. This is about the best you're gonna see it, really. You can see why I don't have very much sun between the pine tree, the olive tree, the birch tree, and those bushes.
Take a picture before to pick it up.
I will, but your shoe is laces. Your shoelaces.
Oh,
Yeah.
so beautiful.
Wow. Where are you pointing? Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
I see. Mm-hmm. So this tree will have to be pruned after all this finishes because it's laying over on the roof and that's not good for fire safety. So, wait, let me see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Those three are gorgeous. Okay. So good. I've never actually taken in the view from my roof before. There we go. Right there. Yeah, it's a pretty special place. And I have had the good fortune to be here for 25 years, and I've seen so much change. When I first came to this neighborhood, there was an old man across the street. He's now in assisted living in Idaho, and they're just waiting to tear that place down. And there was an old man next door, Mr. Gerber, and he died they tore his house down in 2005, and he died in 2007 in assisted living. And there was an old man that lived on this side of me. He was the first person in the neighborhood. There's another old man 3 houses down, Ed, and he had an avocado tree that he skillfully put tin stripping all around the trunk of this avocado tree so the squirrels couldn't eat his avocados. So much change. It's incredible. 25 years. It's as long as some of you have been alive. Let's see if I can get just a little bit better view of my front yard garden. It's the walkway in. There's the African blue basil, that whole dark purple section, and the milkweed, where we just saw the monarch caterpillars. Yeah, there's my fig tree and my pineapple guavas. There's my other fig tree. There's my orange tree back over here. That's part of my back 40 right there. And then here's my little lemon tree right there. And then this is my office right under here where I edit all of my videos. And that's my bathroom. Eric is a lot more confident on the ladder than I am. Plus he has better shoes for this kind of stuff. Yeah, he's picking it clean. I think next week we'll have a handful and that'll be it. That's my bedroom in there. And I'm not going to go up on that section of the roof. But if you look right along the edge, you can see my solar panels. That's the southwest exposure on that side. And those have been up there for 12 years, creating energy from the sun. Sun, right, when we have it. Oh, here's a better view of the hillside over there.
Okay, I finished for today.
Okay. I'm going to let you get down before I make my move.
I hold the ladder.
Yep, I hope so.
Okay.
Let's see. I was going to go one more down, right?
Yeah,
My foot should have gone on the next one. Oh well. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Oh, this is a snap.
Okay, now you take this.
Whoa. Okay. Okay, this is the single biggest harvest from this tree ever. I didn't do anything special to this tree. I gave it no fertilizer. Haven't for years and years and years. In fact, I haven't fertilized that tree since I started late bloomer. And it just decided to give me the mother lode this year. Wow. You know, we should really try to weigh this, Eric. Just so I have it for the record.
See? Nice.
Yeah.
Huh?
Because this is the single biggest day ever. I should weigh this. Try it. Will it balance? Go a little bit over. No, that way. That way, so it's right in the middle. Yeah.
See?
Oh, wow. It's only 9 pounds.
9.5.
Okay.
9.5.
All right, let's add it up. 9.5.
This is more heavy.
Go that way a little bit. Right there. Good. So that's
11.5.
Yeah, that's almost 12 pounds. Okay, great. So 9.5, 12.5.
This is another 11.
11. Same thing.
Same.
12.
12.
Okay.
This is 24.
Wait, what did we say? I'm filming. I didn't write
This
it
is
down.
12 and 12.
It's 11, 9.5,
9.5.
11.5, and 12, right?
Yeah. This is
And what I'm
7
getting?
pounds.
That's probably not going to balance very. Oh, good. So that's 5 pounds. Okay, and now I need to deduct from the pans. So let's just say the pans weigh 2 pounds.
2 pounds.
And this was how much? This was how much? 5?
5.5.
5.5. Okay, let me add that up. I have to take a picture with me with all these plums. Us.
Yeah.
I wish we had a table or something to put it on.
Put it one table, put it.
Could do that.
Okay.
Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. And thanks so much for all of your support. And if you enjoyed this one, why not try these?
Like this?
Yeah, because can you see that we're...
Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, put like that.
Ta-da!
Yeah,
Make your hand go out like that. Here, start your hand and we're going to go out like this.
Like that. Like that.
Ta-da!
Okay.
Like that, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
See?
Oh, yeah.